Hey guys, Mama Beach here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to do an unboxing from Macy's. And these are items that I purchased, I think it was around Cyber Monday. It might have been the day after Cyber Monday. And they had some killer sales. You guys have seen one of these bags before on my channel. And the other bag was something that I actually purchased from Coach Retail because I thought it was a good price on there. And then lo and behold, like a couple days later, Macy's had it for an even better price. So I called Coach and canceled my order of that bag and reordered it from Macy's. And my order showed up in really oversized large boxes. It's really crazy. I was like, what have they sent me? But it was just the items I ordered. They just have some crazy box sizes going on right now. The first item I will show you is the less exciting one because you have seen it already on my channel before, but I have been waiting and waiting and waiting to get it at a better price. The great thing about Macy's is they have a 90-day return window. So as long as you don't use an item, if you think you've overpaid and you want to wait for another sale to come up on their website, just hold on to it. I actually put this in the closet and didn't use it because I specifically was waiting for Black Friday to see if they put it on sale. And they didn't for Black Friday, and I was like, oh gosh, good thing I held on to the one I had. And then up it popped for the Cyber Monday thing as a deal of the day, and I was like, yes, here it is, the Coach Sadie bag in the limited edition Rexy, Rainbow Rexy line, which they put out because they had the float in the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. That's why I waited until Black Friday, because I knew it would be after Thanksgiving and they're probably wanting to get rid of this stuff. So I'm glad that I waited and didn't use my other one so that I could pick this up for a cheaper price. I think I paid like $130 something for this, $136, which is like $60 or $70 savings to what I paid before. And it has the beautiful webbed rainbow cotton strap, which can be used crossbody or as a belt bag if you aren't super duper skinny. So yeah, this, I'm really excited about it. I also combined my savings here with, I'll say it again, Rakuten cashback. Love it, love it, love it. I ended up getting an additional 15% off, I think, on top of these sale prices, which is amazing. So if you haven't signed up, I'll put a link below. Go sign up. You won't regret it, honestly. Wait till they have big sales like this and then go through that app or through their website. It's amazing. So let me show you the other item I picked up that I had gotten from Coach but canceled. And it is a Parker bag. I was really interested to see this bag in person. It has a lot of my favorite colors. It's a color block style. Not a huge color block fan, so I'm a little nervous about this. But like I said, it's like all my favorite colors in one. And I was interested to see this more soft Parker style. You guys know I still have, but I'm probably gonna be selling my other Parker, which is very angular and sharp looking, which is great. I thought I would prefer the softer style Parker. So this is it. This is in the color block, and it is, let's see, Peacock Multi is what it's called. Oh, great. This has like all sorts of weird tags hanging off of it, which is not a great sign, but okay, we're gonna roll with it. So you can see here, it has like a dark oxblood color, then more of like a raspberry, and this I think is what they call the peacock. It's a teal. And so I thought, you know, with the purple teal combo going on here, I might be really into it because those are like two of my most favorite colors. And inside you can see it's set up just like your average Parker. It has a couple different compartments going on here. So I won't unstuff the whole thing, but you get the idea. It has two compartments and it also has a center zip area, which is nice. So I feel like the organization of these Parkers is kind of awesome, the way that they've organized the interior. And then you have this front pocket here, which I wonder if now that I downsized my phone case, my phone would fit in there. Oh, you guys know I have an iPhone 8 Plus. It often doesn't work with these kind of pockets. I do think it might go in the back pocket though, because this is a little bit more generous. But it's so nice that they give you these, like this outside pocket and this one, which is technically an inside pocket, but it makes things easy access if you put them there. And then the whole interior is microfiber, so that's the same for all the Parkers. This is like a black microfiber, and this has all black trim on it. You can see this has the C turn lock closure. I got a comment on that. Like, I think my other Parker is mostly canvas and it has a different closure on it, and people are saying they thought it was fake because of that. But no, if you get the leather Parkers, they have the C turn lock. If you get the canvas Parkers, they have just the plain circle turn lock. So that's the difference there. Let me see. You know, my initial reaction is, you know, I feel like if I had gotten this bag before I opened my Tory Burch box, I probably would have ripped the tags off and started using it because it is really beautiful. And honestly, the color is coming off pretty muted on camera, but it's a little brighter in person. But, hold please. Okay, I'm back. But when I do this, I mean, there's just no comparison. After opening this and using it, I just feel like this looks cheap next to it. I know it's kind of comparing apples and oranges because you have a tweed fabric that's patterned with pebbled leather that isn't patterned, but just the finish of them, I guess I would say, or the styling is so different. This is way more upscale, way more expensive looking. This is way more cheap looking in my opinion. Now, that being said, there's a decent amount of price difference. I think I got this for like $140 something, and this was more like $240 something. So there's like $100 price difference here. For me, I think that $100 is worth it. I just don't know that this looks that expensive compared to that. Maybe it would look more expensive if it wasn't color blocked. Maybe if it was all solid black or all solid teal or raspberry, it would look a little less cheap. But I just don't know that I'm super enthused about it like I thought I would be. Leave comments below, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about this softer Parker style. Let me know if you think I should keep it and give it a try. If you want to see a video about it first. I don't know. Definitely keeping that steady though. I love that thing. So yeah, like I said, comments or questions, leave them below, or video requests. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope that you will. I do unboxings like this, but I also do reviews, comparisons, that sort of thing. So if you love handbags, I know you'll love my channel. All right, guys, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.